Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about why a sketchbook is essential. A sketchbook is like a trusted friend for anyone who loves to draw or create. It's not just a bunch of blank pages, it's a space where your creativity can bloom. Why a sketchbook? Well, it's because it gives you the freedom to experiment, make mistakes, and grow without worrying about being perfect. Every doodle or sketch you add is a step forward in your artistic journey, helping you find your unique style and voice. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Real quick before we get started, I wanted to share a resource I made called the Sketchbook Manifesto. It's a small PDF guide that's about diving back into sketching, whether you're just starting out or getting back to the basics. Inside, you'll find simple, straightforward tips on sketching techniques and how to start filling your sketchbook with drawings you actually like. Just head over to chriswilsonstudio.com/manifesto. So let's dive into why sketchbooks are such an invaluable companion for anyone with a passion for drawing and creativity. A sketchbook is not merely just a collection of blank pages, it's a dynamic space where your artistic potential can truly flourish. Your sketchbook is a wonderful friend on your creative journey. It's there to show you how powerful and beautiful your simple sketches can be, proving that sometimes less is really more. Think of simplicity in sketching not as a limit, but as your superpower. When you use just a few lines and shapes, you get to the heart of what you want to say, making your art feel alive and clear. Using a sketchbook teaches you to find the magic in simplicity. It's like discovering that you can tell a whole story or capture a feeling with just a couple of pen or pencil strokes. This simplicity helps your sketches speak loudly and clearly without needing anything fancy or having to be overdone. Your sketchbook is not just a collection of pages, it's the canvas where your unique sketching voice comes to life. This voice is like your artistic fingerprint, completely unique to you. It's not about copying what others do or aiming for perfection in someone else's eyes. Instead, it's about embracing and expressing your own vision, your way of seeing the world. Imagine your sketchbook as a playground for your creativity. Here you're free to play with different techniques, tools, and styles, from the boldness of thick lines to the subtlety of light shading, or even the freedom of abstract pages. Each page is an opportunity to discover what truly resonates with you, to find the methods that feel right and speak your truth. It's important to remember that in art, there's no such thing as right or wrong. Your sketching style is your own language in this artistic universe. It's how you communicate your thoughts, your feelings, and how you perceive the world around you. Treasure this personal language, care for it, and allow it the space to grow and change. Your sketchbook is the perfect place to do just that. It's a safe space to explore, to experiment, and evolve your sketching voice without fear or hesitation. Think of your sketchbook as an exciting expedition, not just a final goal to reach. Each page represents a step on your path as an artist, a path where the journey itself holds more value than the end point. This journey is wonderfully free from the pressures of needing to be perfect. Instead, it's all about making progress, discovering new aspects of your art, and growing bit by bit. Your sketchbook is your personal safe space for creativity. It's where you're encouraged to try new things, embrace the unexpected, and learn from every attempt, no matter the outcome. Mistakes? They're just part of the adventure, teaching you valuable lessons and guiding your growth. Each sketch you add is more than just marks on paper, it's an expansion of your abilities, a dive into uncharted ideas, and a boost to your creative confidence. In the end, a sketchbook is more than paper and ink. It's a quiet, steadfast companion on a journey that has no map. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.